Gutire kindu kiega mwiroreri ta kuma wira hwaini unogete ugacoka ukaririkana ati urainuka gwaku mucii minoga iyo ithiraga o rimwe. A home is supposed to be a place of peace and harmony. No nigetha ituike that place of peace and harmony ni gukuringana na how well designed your home is. Na muthenya wa umuthi ndirenda gukuonia one of the most beautiful bungalows yakitwo ni Promito and just about to be handed over to our client. Twambiriria haha gate-ini. It's a sliding gate. Koguo client akiumira wira ariukaga akahingura gate yake. And you see the way arina drive jega all the way from the road ginyagia hararaingirira ina ginyagia kabro. Look at this gate. It's a sliding gate. Then ukiingira thiini wa compound ino uratungwo ni uthaka wa mahua. Look at this. You know, flowers are supposed to make the area so beautiful and serene. Already, nitwikite landscaping, tuhandite nyeki na mahua ma all types according to her taste. Kudugu kwa kigira ridari kinyaga ndoro. You see, ni gwikire kabro na kabro kurigana na design area we mwenyewe ethureire na pattern na colors. Look at that. Then agikorwo ni ara drive re eguka aige ngari yake haha uguo. This is the parking area na ngari yake ri ndiriuragirwo already nitumeakeire. And then hihi ahota gukarwo ageni ake mamwetereire haha uguo thiini wa gazebo eno twakite haha. Ona hihi ona kana mbere ya ingirite nyumba ri okaiga tuti twake haha ri aria baga kahuruka haha akera mundu uria uramutungata ndehera gacai ga kunyua hihi akamba kanyuira haha uguo mbere ya aingirite nyumba. All can opt to go into the house first. Na ndirenda gukuonia nyumba area we are just about to hand over a 3-bedroomed bungalow. Reke twambiririe na exterior. Rangi uria haketwo haha ni rough and tough, and this on this side hena cladding. That cladding with that special stone over there, cladding hiyo ikamihe an elegant look. Haya, tuingire guku thiini. Haha uguo makirugia mwaka family no ikirugia mwaka ri mejari matirikoragwo mari nduma-ini. Already nitwikirite matawa and very beautiful lights ati fireworks ikiruga kuria nja nayo lighting yayo haha uguo is very beautiful. Now look at this door. We're ready. Just have a look at this door. Have you seen something like this of late? Very beautiful and very hardy. Your security is guaranteed. By the look of the door, it can tell you turaingira thiini wa nyumba ihanda atia. Oh, I can't wait to get in. Ebu karibu sana. Niona, nitwaingira. Now, this is not tiles. Hello? This is not tiles. This is wooden floor. The best thing about wooden floor is that ndeigaga heho ungikorwo ni uraturwo ni maguru ta Monica ni mambitie gutura. This is the best floor for you. This is the living room. Look at it from all angles. So beautiful. Okay, haha niho TV area na gutuika hatirekereire is work under progress. No agikorwo haha noguo you can imagine hari ikirira heko hana uguo. Heko hana atia. Look at the lightings. Very beautiful. According to your taste mwiroreri tugwikagirira kindu kiria we wethurira. Of course the room is very well lit, very large windows as you can see. Koguo mundu uyu ndafatara gwakagia thitima gwake muthenya. By the way ungikorwo wikaraga nyumba yakagio thitima muthenya, there's a problem. Now wona twaingirira haha ni njui ureyuria turathie ku entrance ino iraingiria mundu ku from the living room irakuingiria into 2 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. No ikorwo iri ya ciana kana muiritu wa wira. And then there's a bedroom number 2. They are all en suite as you can see. That is the bathroom, and this is the bed area with its own wardrobes. Ebu have a look at this MDF. Inakaaje? Is it beautiful? It is. And of course the rooms are very well lit. Agiko ni kundu ndirekira content ni kuga kwina utheri mwega. The same wooden floor, only that pattern area ya living room area ya bedroom ni rashenjia hanini, but the same wooden floor. Okay, nijue ni ureyuria, how does the kitchen look like? Monica, I know you love beautiful kitchens. Yes, and this is one of the houses nyonete, a very beautiful kitchen. The kitchen is here. Na niho tuthiete. But Haha niho sink ya gwithambira moko. Do you look at the quality of the sink, by the way? This is a high-end house, okay? It's a high-end house. Gwithambira hau, ukerorera hau. And then karibu sana to the kitchen. Hello, women. I know ni mwendete kitchen. How is this? Number one, huko no muiganire andu 10. Mwagithambia indo, uria ungi agikanda cabaci, uria ungi agikira mboga, uria ungi agibanga matunda, uria ungi agika ciana kiyu. All that. It's very spacious, very beautiful. Do you see the combination of black granite with the panels that are here and then the white cabinets? Is it beautiful? Of course it is. Cabinets nirona ne nyingi few mutumia uyu ndio yakaiyoria indo ciake ri. These are cabinets, these are cabinets. The cooker area, already the hood the hood is already installed, koguo atigaritie kurehe cooker yake hau uguo, and the fridge area is here. Uguo fridge ya size ina nene muno ni kuiganira haha uguo. The kitchen is well done and it has a pantry. Hello, more storage. Pantry haha uguo. Kwina wira urathie na mbere haha uguo, koguo wona marangi na kindu koria niki, but ni wira urathie na mbere. But that is the pantry. Okay, urauga we've seen the kitchen. Yes. How about the master bedroom? The master bedroom. Okay. This is the dining area, right adjacent to the kitchen. The dining area is here. Then wauma dining area ukaigira. Hello. Are you ready? To the master bedroom. Look at that. This is the bed area alone. Kugu no aige gitanda. Akorwo ni kuri gia 10 by 10. Akorwo ni kuri no kiganire haha uguo. And of course the bedroom is very well lit. Na niyo ifisite the gate. You remember the cladding we talked about tukigira? Ni weno haha uguo ruthingo-ini ruru rwa nanja rwa master bedroom. Now let me show you the master closet. Abu karibu uone. Hello, surprise. Look at that. This is the walk-in closet with all these storage areas, drawers. Sure, they need drawers. Cia guikia tunyamu turia jendu igaragio horo watuo wa munyinyi, thogithi, indo ciothe cia guikia ci haha. And this is your dressing mirror. Haha uguo niho kuigirira makeup ciaku, wirore ugithondeka blah blah blah. All that na nguo ciaku itikiyurite guku guothe. Then this is the master bath. Kai, this is fine living. Look at this. Naona sink ile shire haha. This is what we talk about when we talk about high end. Then the shower cubicle hapa ndani. Do you see the kind of showers? Do you see the kind of showers that are here? Do you see? Okay. Haya, na kioro gitikiri hau muhoro wa kioro tikwaria muno. No, I don't ever spend. By the way, umesikia watu wana spend a lot of time in the toilet. Tondu raigira na thimu yaku kioro, ukambia go scroll ugaenda guikara kioro ndagika 30, no rikirie wira waku ndagika 5 hituku. So mwiroreri, ndirenda gukuria kiuria kimwe. Client uyu ri ni aragire na worth or value for his money. Is there value for his money? I truly believe he did. Nyandikira hau thiini wa comment section the scorecard ya Promito. Nyumba ino ri ungimihe from 1 to 10 ungimihe scorecard ehana atia. Let's engage. Tell me what you have liked the most and tell me what you feel konewe no ucenjie here and there. I really appreciate that feedback. But in the meantime, no wende kumaga wira ugoka gwaku, no wende kumaga diaspora ukaga gukoma Airbnb ugakoma gwaku. Now this is the deal. Promito does financing. We ukoro na kea kiu gikoro kiri na title, no gikoro utari na kea, we are having another product turauga buy and build. Promito magakwira thiwe the kea kiri urenda, will finance the kea and will also finance the new berry urenda tugwakire. All you need to do ni ku raise 30%, now mago finance na 70%. Tina informative heo besho gake no they build the house and they hand over the keys to you ya nyumba ndeku toria we are just about to do to this client. So what you need is just to raise 30%, then the 70% wa finance onacio ugukorwo ukiriha up to a period of 7 years. Now, there have been questions I've been seeing. Niki gitumaga mwetie mundu title. Tondu title niyo security. I mean, ura finance 70%. Ukaheo nyumba ndeku teno. Ungiaga kuriha then. So the title is a security. He mundu rorio horo wa about, how about the 30,000 mbeca cia kuhingura account icio cikoragwo cirĩ cia kuhingura account na ni non-refundable na citeithagĩrĩria kambuni thĩinĩ wa wĩra wa logistics. Tarĩu watwĩra nĩ ũkwenda gwakĩrwo no nginya hoke andũ marore kĩaya gĩaku kĩhana atĩa, marore kĩkwenjwo nginya gĩaha, megwĩka atĩa, blah blah, all those things nĩgetha mahote gũkũhe the right BQ. So the 30,000 is not refundable na cikoragwo cirĩ cia kuhingura a construction account. Now what you need to do is just to call Promito 0729 506 506 nigetha wambĩrĩrie your customer journey. Mwaka ũyũ ũgĩthira rĩ ukorwo na such super bungalow right handed over come December.